practice set 4 of Zoology for CPET 2020. So let's start. Question number 36. Which of the following blood groups may be present in the children of a couple having blood groups A and B respectively? ओके, तो इसके लिए हमें क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, तो हम अगर होमोजाइगस कंडीशन लेंगे बोथ फॉर ए एंड बी ब्लड ग्रुप, तो हमारा ए बी ही सिर्फ आएगा. तो इसीलिए ज़्यादा मैक्सिमम ऑफस्प्रिंग पाने के लिए, मैक्सिमम टाइप्स ऑफ फिनोटाइप्स पाने के लिए वी विल टेक हेटेरोजाइगस एलील्स. ओके, तो हमारा यहाँ देखिए कि IA-IO इसका हो जाएगी, दिस इज हेटेरोजाइगस ए. IB-IO दैट विल बी हेटेरोजाइगस बी. ओके, तो यहाँ से हमारा गैमेट्स क्या क्या आएगा? IA-IO, देन फ्रॉम बी आएगा हमारा IB एंड IO. अब हम इसे क्रॉस करेंगे तो हमारा क्या आ जाएगा? IA-IB, IA-IO, IB-IO, IO-IO. ओके, तो AB जिसमें है उसका ब्लड ग्रुप AB होगा, IA-IO में होगा उसका A, IB-IO में होगा हमारा B और IO-IO में होगा हमारा O ब्लड ग्रुप. ओके, तो अगर हम एक हेटेरोजाइगस ब्लड ग्रुप, हेटेरोजाइगस कपल लेते हैं जिसमें ब्लड ग्रुप A एंड B है, तो उनका ऑफस्प्रिंग क्या क्या हो सकता है? AB, A, B एंड O. तो हमारा ऑप्शन में क्या क्या है? ऑप्शन ए में दिया है A एंड B ओनली, बी में दिया है ABO, सी में दिया है AB, ABO, डी में दिया है AB ओनली. तो हमारा हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी. ओके, नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 37. Which of the following disease is caused by a virus? A. Malaria, B. Ringworm, C. Whooping cough, D. Poliomyelitis. Okay, so malaria is caused by mosquito, right? Whereas ringworm is caused by fungus, and your poliomyelitis is caused by virus and whooping cough is caused by bacteria. Okay, तो हमारा पूछा है वायरस कौन सा डिजीज कॉज कर रहा है, तो हमारा क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? पोलियोमाइलिटिस. ओके, ऑप्शन डी. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 38. पैथोजेनिक बैक्टीरिया सिक्रेट ए एंटीजन, बी एंटीबॉडी, सी हार्मोन्स, डी इंटरफेरॉन्स. ओके, तो जो बैक्टीरिया पैथोजन है मतलब डिजीज कॉज कर रहा है, तो दैट विल सिक्रेट योर एंटीजन, राइट? सो आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा ऑप्शन ए. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. Who among the following was awarded Nobel Prize for path-breaking contribution to develop treatment against Parkinson's disease? A. Walter Kohn, B. Arvid Carlson, C. Ferit Murad, D. Robert B. Laughlin. ओके, तो पार्किंसन डिजीज के लिए हमारा नोबेल प्राइज मिला था टू अर्विड कार्लसन. ओके, सो आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा बी. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. Sweetex used by diabetic patients has energy content of A. 5 calorie, B. 20 calorie, C. 100 calorie, D. 0 calorie. ओके, तो हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? स्वीटेक्स जो कि डायबिटीज पेशेंट यूज करते हैं उन्हें 0 कैलोरी एनर्जी कंटेंट देता है. ओके, सो द आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन डी. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. Adherent mucoid alkaline substance covering the inner lining of stomach is 2. A. Digest starch, B. Act against bacteria, C. Prevent viral infection, D. Prevent the action of pepsin of mucosa. ओके, तो क्या करता है हमारा अल्कलाइन सब्सटेंस जो कि इनर लाइन ऑफ स्टोमक में प्रेजेंट होता है, दैट प्रिवेंट द एक्शन ऑफ पेप्सिन ऑफ म्यूकोजा. ओके, सो हमारा क्या हो जाएगा आंसर? ऑप्शन डी. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. Amniocentesis is a method for A. Determination of fetal health conditions, B. Inducing abortion, C. Artificial insemination, D. Determination of the amino acid sequence. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. Amniocentesis is a method which is for determination of fetal health condition. Okay, so आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा ऑप्शन ए. Now come to question number 43. What may cause the malfunctioning of thyroid gland? So thyroid gland secretes what? Thyroxine hormone. So thyroid gland का malfunctioning अगर होगा, नहीं किस वजह से हमारा thyroid gland का malfunctioning होता है? So option A vitamins, B calcium deficiency, C iron deficiency, D iodine deficiency. तो क्या हो जाएगा हमारा आंसर? ऑप्शन D, that is iodine deficiency. Now come to question number 44. Lacrimal glands are responsible for the secretion of A mucus, B tears, C hormones, D enzymes. तो पहले जान लेते हैं what is this lacrimal gland and where it is located. So lacrimal gland is located in the anterior superotemporal aspect of the orbit within the lacrimal fossa of the frontal bone. Okay, so it is responsible for the secretion of tears. Okay, so option answer हो जाएगा option B. Now come to question number 45. The corium of Dormis is a derivative of A parietal mesoderm, B ectoderm, C endoderm, D both B and C, मतलब both ectoderm and endoderm. तो this corium of Dormis consists mainly of a dense network of connective tissue fibers, okay, which provide elasticity to the skin, and it is present between the epidermis and the hypoderm. Okay, तो हमारा क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? It is a derivative of parietal mesoderm. डेरिवेटिव पूछा गया है, कहाँ पे लोकेशन तो उसका नहीं पूछा गया है, कहाँ से डिराइव हुआ है ये parietal mesoderm. Okay, now come to question number 46. The function of sebaceous glands in mammals is to A plug the skin pores, B nourish the hair follicles, now C cool the skin by vaporization, D make the skin and hair waterproof. Okay, so sebaceous gland is the small oil producing gland which is present in the skin of the mammals, right? So it secretes sebum into the follicular duct and then to the surface of the skin. Okay, तो ये क्या फंक्शन करता है हमारा it make the skin and hair waterproof. Okay, due to secretion of sebum. Now come तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा D. Now come to question number 47. Leather from the mammalian skin is derived from A epidermis, B dermis, C subdermal tissue, D whole of the skin. Okay, तो लेदर कहाँ से डिराइव करता है mammalian skin के? It is derived from the dermis. Okay, the answer will be option B. Now come to question number 48. The keratin of the integument is A mucoprotein, B bony substance, C cartilage, D selenoprotein. Okay, so keratin of the integument is a selenoprotein. So what is this selenoprotein? Selenoprotein is made up of the selenocysteine amino acid residue. Okay, तो हमारा इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन D. Now come to question number 49. Ceruminous and sweat glands are seen in A eyes of mammals, olfactory passage of mammals, C external auditory meatus in mammals, D none of these. Okay, so 49 का आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा C, that is cerumen glands are the waste glands are seen in none of these. Okay, so cerumen glands are the modified sudoriferous glands. Okay, sorry, the answer will be option, इसमें दिया हुआ है ना external auditory meatus in mammals. Okay, so इसका आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा C, that is external auditory meatus in mammals. So cerumen glands are the modified sudoriferous glands which are found in the external auditory meatus in mammals. Now come to question number 50. Tympanic bulla is the auditory capsule in the skull of A frog and other animals, B rabbit and other mammals, C fishes and aquatic mammals, D amphibians. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा B, that is rabbit and other mammals. उनमें tympanic bulla hota hai, that is the auditory capsule which is present in the skull. Now come to question number 51. Sella turcica is A. Covering of ovary, B. Covering of testis, C. Depression in the skull, D. Part of temporal bone. Okay, so what is this sella turcica? Sella turcica is the depression in the skull. So answer will be C. Now come to question number 52. The skull opens behind by A. Foramen magnum, B. Foramen of Monro, C. Obturator foramen, D. None of these. So the skull opens behind by foramen of magnum, foramen magnum. Okay, so answer will be A. Now come to question number 53. Glenoid cavity is found in A. Pectoral girdle, B. radioulna, C. pelvic girdle, D. humerus. So glenoid cavity is found in pectoral girdle. So answer will be option A. Now come to question number 54. Excessive reabsorption of vitamin A of bone leads to A. Keratalacia, B. hypercalcemia, C. hyperkeratosis, D. beriberi. Okay, so जब विटामिन ए हमारा एक्सेस अमाउंट में रीअब्सॉर्ब होता है बाय द बोन, तो क्या होगा, हमारा कौन सा डिजीज होगा, इट विल कॉज हाइपरकैल्सीमिया. ओके, सो आंसर विल बी बी. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 55. Chronic alcoholics are always short of vitamin A, B, C or D. So what are these chronic alcoholics? So these are the persons or drinkers who drink more than the recommended drinks in a week according to the National Institute of Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism. Okay, that is AIAAA. Okay, so these chronic alcoholics are always short of vitamin C. Okay, answer will be C. Now come to question number 56. Xerophthalmia in children and nyctalopia in adults is caused by deficiency of vitamin A, D, E or K. तो xerophthalmia क्या है? It is the drying out of your tear ducts and eyes. Okay, it is an eye disease, whereas your nyctalopia is your night blindness. So this is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. So answer will be option A. Now come to question number 57. Chitin is A. protein, B. carbohydrate, C. mineral, D. fat. So chitin is a what? Carbohydrate, right? It is present in the cell wall of fungus. Now come to question number 58. Pulmonary artery carries blood from heart to lungs, lungs to heart, lungs to right auricle, lungs to left auricle. तो इसके लिए हमें हार्ट का फंक्शनिंग एंड स्ट्रक्चर ये याद रहना चाहिए, कैसे सर्कुलेशन होता है ब्लड वो याद रहनी चाहिए, राइट? सो पल्मोनरी आर्टरी के बारे में पूछा है, इट कैरीज ब्लड फ्रॉम योर हार्ट टू लंग्स. ओके, सो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 59. Corneal grafts are generally not rejected by the recipient because cornea is A. non-living, B. non-proteinaceous, C. non-cellular, D. non-vascularized. Okay, so what is this corneal graft? This is the corneal transplantation. Okay, where the damaged or the diseased cornea is replaced by donated corneal tissue. Okay, so when this entire cornea is replaced, it is called penetrating keratoplasty. Okay, when the only a part of the cornea is replaced, it is called lamellar keratoplasty. तो ये क्यों नहीं रिजेक्ट होता है by the recipient? Because the cornea is what? Non-living. Okay, so answer will be option A. Sorry, it is not rejected by the recipient because the cornea is non-vascularized. Okay, so answer will be option D, not A. Now come to question number 60. Pacemaker in the heart is A. SA node, B. AV node, C. AV septum, D. LA septum. Okay, so हमारा जो पेसमेकर है वो क्या है, हमारा SA नोड है. So answer will be option A. Now come to question number 61. The least concentration of urea in mammals is carried in the blood of A. Hepatic vein, B. Renal vein, C. Renal artery, D. Hepatic artery. Okay, so the answer will be your what? B. Least concentration of urea in mammal is carried in the blood of your renal vein. Okay. Now come to question number 62. Urea is transported by A. WBC, B. RBC, C. Hemoglobin, B. Blood and plasma. So urea is transported by blood and plasma. Okay, not WBC, RBC or hemoglobin. So answer will be option D. Now come to question number 63. Hamburger's phenomenon is also called A. Bicarbonate shift, B. Chloride shift, C. Sodium shift, D. None of these. Okay, so what is this Hamburger's phenomenon? So it is the phenomenon of chloride ion diffusing into the erythrocytes to maintain the ionic balance. Okay, it is also called as your chloride shift. So Hamburger's phenomenon क्यों बोलते हैं? It was discovered by Hamburger. Okay, demonstrated by Hamburger. ठीक. So answer will be हमारा क्या? B, that is chloride shift. Now come to question number 64. The sympathetic nerve causes the heart rate to A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Show no change, D. Stroke volume increases. Okay, so क्या हो जाएगा हमारा जो sympathetic nerve causes the heart rate to increase. Option A. Now come to question number 65. The instrument used to measure the blood pressure is sphygmomanometer, respirometer, thermometer, stethoscope. ये बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. ब्लड प्रेशर नापने के लिए क्या यूज होता है हमारा? स्फिग्मोमैनोमीटर. ओके, ऑप्शन ए. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 66. The larger lymphatic organ in the body is A. Lymph node, B. Liver, C. Pancreas, D. Spleen. Larger पूछा है. Larger lymphatic organ, that is your spleen. Okay, option D. Now come to question number 67. The anterior choroid plexus is situated in the roof of A. Diaucil, that is third ventride, B. Metacil, fourth ventride, C. Olfactocil, D. Optocil. Okay, so हमारा anterior choroid plexus कहाँ पे होता है? It is situated in the roof of your diaucil. Okay, so answer will be option A. Now come to question number 68. The SNS works through A. Sympathetic nervous system. Okay, through A. Acetylcholine, B. Norepinephrine, C. Noradrenaline, D. None of these. Okay, so SNS इनमें से क्या नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन के थ्रू काम करता है. राइट, सो ऑप्शन आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन बी. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. The spinal cord is protected by A. Aorta, B. Sternum, C. Trachea, D. Vertebral column. So हमारा spinal cord को कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है? It is protected by the vertebral column. Okay. Now come to the last question, that is question number 70. The nodes of Ranvier are responsible for A. Saltatory conduction, B. Speed of conduction, C. Reflex action, D. Direction of propagation of impulses. Okay, so these nodes of Ranvier contain all of the molecular machinery which is responsible for the propagation of action potential along the myelinated nerve fiber. Okay, so it is responsible for saltatory conduction. So हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए. Okay, so this is all about practice set 4. The next practice set will be discussed tomorrow. So stay tuned with us. Like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon next to the subscription button so that you can get all the updates from us. Okay? तो अगर कोई कुछ doubt है, you can ask us through the comment section. Okay? Thank you.